In this video, I will show you how to fix if your access to voice chat has been suspended for violating community standards on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to fix this and get access to the voice chat, what you're going to want to do first is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, what you're going to want to do is come up to the address bar at the top, and what you want to do is get rid of home. And then just go ahead and type support and press enter. Now that's going to take you across to a contact form which is going to look similar to this. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and fill this in. So you just want to follow along with me. So you don't have to put your first name, but you do want to put an email address. And of course you want to make sure the email address you do actually have access to, because that is how Roblox is going to communicate with you. So once that's done, come down to the next section about issue details, and what you want to do is select your device from the drop down box that you are currently banned from the voice chat on. So that can be PC or a console like an Xbox or PlayStation. So for this example, I'm just going to put PC. And in the next drop down box, you'll see it says type of help category. So on here, you want to go ahead and select moderation. That's going to bring up a additional drop down box. And in this one, you want to go ahead and click onto appeal account. So what you're going to want to do now is go ahead and write a description. I have got a template that you can copy if you want to. So you don't have to copy it word for word, but of course it just gives you an idea of the type of thing that you're going to want to put on this form. So this is the template. As I mentioned, you don't have to copy this word for word. This is just really to give you an idea of what you want to write in this box. So all I've put is to the Roblox support team, please can you take a look at my account, as after reviewing your community guidelines, I do not believe I have violated them. I would really appreciate it if you could give me access again to the voice chat feature. Thank you. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is press the submit button. Now once that's done, you're going to get an automatic email from Roblox with a support number, like a ticket number. So this is just acknowledgement that they've received your request, and generally you will receive a response within 48 hours, where Roblox, as long as you definitely have not violated the community guidelines, should be able to restore access to your voice chat. So that is how to go ahead and fix if your access to voice chat has been restricted due to a violation of community guidelines on Roblox. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.